Hello all. Uh, Today we are going to discuss a topic in Specific Relief Act 1963. The recent amendment which was done for Specific Relief Act 1963 is Act number 18 of 2018. Okay. Now we will discuss day to day. We will discuss some sections. Okay. Today we are discussing section 5 and section 6 of Specific Relief Act. What section 5 says in Specific Relief Act? Recovery of specific immovable property. Okay, so what is meant by recovery of specific immovable property? This section mainly deals with the person who possesses a valid title. Okay, the person should possess a valid title. If a person possessing a valid title and lost his possession, the person who has valid title and he lost his possession, then he can file a suit under section 5. And while filing a suit, essential ingredients of section 5 are: the person should have a valid title and he should file a suit before the court before 12 years from the cause of action. Okay, cause of action means at the time where the possession has been taken from him. Okay, the person who has a valid title, the valid title is the most important thing. And there should be no cloud on the title of the plaintiff. So okay, this should be kept in mind. There should be no cloud on the title. Okay, so if by filing a suit he can obtain the decree. If he obtains the decree, then he can proceed to take the possession of the property as the provisions mentioned under code of civil procedure only. Okay, so he can follow as per he follow and take the possession of the property as per the code, what the code of civil procedure says. Okay, so now we will discuss about section 6, sued by a person dispossessed from an immovable property. So to attract section 6, there is no need, as we discussed in section 5, there is no need of valid title in section 6. But the section 6 main ingredient is prior possession. To attract section 6, there should be prior possession. If there is no valid title also, the person who is dispossessed from the property should have a prior possession of in the property. He may not have a valid title. Okay, and later he should enter the property in a legal manner. Okay, that is the first ingredient which we have to see in section 6. And the second ingredient which we have to see in section 6 is the person who is having title should not dispossess the person by force. Okay, and the third thing which we have to see, so to attract this section, the person who is dispossessed from the property should file a suit within 6 months from the dispossession of the property. Okay, by force. So another thing we have to keep in mind is this section 6 deals it deals with a summary only, because it is a summary judgment, because there is no appeal or no review for this section. If a person who is having a valid title can go and file a suit for this, but he cannot appeal under this section. Okay, now we will see some important case laws under section 6. The main important case law which I came through is in the year 2012. It is ITC Limited versus Adarsh Coop Housing Stock Limited. It is 2012 3 Apex Court judgment, where the judgment is like, the only question that has to be determined is whether plaintiff was in possession of the disputed property. The plaintiff should be in possession of the disputed property and he has been illegally dispossessed therefrom on any date within 6 months prior to the filing of the suit, and any date within 6 months prior to the filing of the suit. Okay, under section 6 of the act is a summary is under the remedy by way of appeal and review is specifically excluded. There will be no remedy for appeal or review. There is only thing, the person who is having valid title is to file another suit and take the possession of the property as per the civil procedure code what it says. So this is all about section 5 and section 6 of Specific Relief Act. Thank you.